so heartbreaking to hear those women talk about what they were going through and what they are going through. The second woman, Joan, her case is really not very unusual. Her husband was the financial planner. She really did not have much involvement in the finances at the home. What are your thoughts on that?
Women tend to have the feeling that they're not confident. Men tend to be overconfident, actually, in the financial area. And women have to take responsibility and have to accept the fact that something like this
We don't need no doo-da-dee-da. We don't need no thought control.
You have to have a contingency plan if your husband doesn't come home and you have to take care of the finances.